Hi guys, my name is Anna and I'm into the binary options trading. That's a little bit windy because I'm in Dubai Resort and I'm at the Lamborghini. So guys, if you want to know more, if you want to get more results, profits, knowledges, you can just proceed to my Telegram link, to my Telegram channel where I post 12 signals per day and you can use it and get the same.
We're still going and going. Oh my God. That was close. That was close. Hi guys, here's me Anna once again, every day, like on a daily basis, here sitting and filming my best videos, just to show you how you can be profitable in the pocket option. Let us see it. Guys, when I do that, all of this video that I'm gonna be making today, I'm in the mood making all that really fast and rapid. First of all, because I'm running out of time. That's the first one and the main one. And then because I think, sometimes I get the comment like that I talk too much. I don't think it's true, but okay, if you want it, we're gonna make it quite fast. Not gonna be going into these heavy explanations. So I just decided, without any, like guilt that I may have. So I'm running out of time and I can be really short about all of that. Let us start. Let us see. And here we are, we go into the currency pair. So I think it's gonna be all the same as we're doing, but we're gonna be going just rapidly. First of all, and you can see that the gray candles with the momentum, it's the green one. And we have kind of slowly but rising. There is a lot of the chances that it's going to be the break-in and a downward trend. But I do expect right here, we're still going to be rising. You can see the Bollinger Bands is quite wide. The candles are green, so we may see. So we are rising, surprisingly, but we're still rising. And I must say, even with the Bollinger Bands trying to get smaller, we are still going and going. That was beautiful, first one. And going with the 500. Once again, I think we're going to be rising. I know that the candles of the momentum are going really red and below zero, but I think that's going to be the rising in the end because we are just at the bottom. Let's see. Look at this beautiful rising. Look at this Bollinger Bands. I must say, here's one of the perfect situations where you can see it's getting really smaller and then it started to be wider. So it started to go with the tendency that we have changed while being narrow. Let's see some more. And then we go in. Look at this. That's gonna be upward. That's gonna be upward. Ignore these momentum candles. I mean, actually, you can see that it's going like a wave, and you can see perfectly that we're gonna go with this same pattern. Let's go. So maybe this advice, like ignore the momentum, wasn't correct, but I think we are really close to get it as a profit. Oh my God, that was close. That was close. But when you were actually in a hurry, you were making mistakes. So do not do the same thing. We're going with it 100.5, and I also think this is the bottom because you can see the momentum candle started to get smaller. They're trying to get above zero. So I know it's kind of long and slowly trend of being downward, but I must say that we had an attempt to rise a little while ago, and now this is the real one and true one. Let's see. And you can see it. Maybe it's not that dramatically, maybe it's not that fast, but anyway, we are rising. It actually may be a little bit of downward trend after all. But for that time frame, no, that was correct. And actually, you may see that I chose 15 seconds candles because I wanted to be in the safest position when I'm going to be risking with this timing. 2000 is the single bad. Oh, that's crazy. And look at this. Momentum candles are all red, going below zero, even going bigger. And what do I expect? They go bigger, so they go with the biggest and the maximum size. Then they go smaller and rise. And being at the biggest, at the lowest point, actually that's the hint. Actually, this is like the feeling that we may break back, because this is the very bottom. That wasn't fast. Let's see. And look at this rising. We do expect, it's not even like maybe the rising of the rising, but you can see this pattern. We go in with the steps, we go in as a ladder, and we go in downward. This is it. Almost 5 rounds, just in the end. That was good. That was good. But the strategy, not that good. That was fast. That was fast, but that was nice. What I can suggest, I was actually doing all of that crazy. Bollinger Bands is nice, momentum is a little bit nice, fractal I didn't even notice that. So if you want to do something really, really quick, you better go with, indicators that you can trust, you can see really, really rapidly and perfectly, because if it's going to be too complicated, you will waste your time, and that's going to be crucial. That's it. We're done.